Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix text disappear on Wix. So if the text on your Wix website is disappearing or not showing up as expected, here are several steps you can follow to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Check the text color and background. So first of all, navigate to your Wix website editor and check the text color and background and ensure that the text color is not same as background color. If the text color is too similar to the background, example white text and white background or green text and green background, it might be invisible. So click on your text, click on the edit text option and choose another color by clicking on color option and choosing a color that fits it and is in contrast with the background. Now, check if the text is a hidden layer or behind other elements like images, shapes, or background sections. So right click on the text and select bring to front if you have that option and send to back to adjust its position relative to other elements. Now, sometimes other elements like images or sections might be covering the text, so ensure that there's no other elements obstructing the text visibility. In the Wix editor, use the layers panel accessible from the top bar to arrange other layer element. Now, navigate to mobile view by clicking on the mobile icon and if the text is hidden or not visible on mobile, check if any of the mobile specific settings such as hidden elements are preventing it from showing. Make sure that the text is not set to be hidden on mobile. You can also check for custom codes or CSS, clear the cache and refresh it, and check browser's compatibility. Also, you can ensure that text is not outside the viewpoint and check that the text box size is perfectly fit for the background and the page. And if none of the above steps work and if text is still not showing, it might be more complex issue related to your Wix site setting or a technical problem. In this case, contact Wix support for further assistance. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix any disappearing text issues on your Wix website. Let me know if you need further assistance and I will see you in the next one.